welcome back from spring break. I spent my entire spring break thinking about which new books I was going to show you in the library. So come on in, I've got some great finds for you. I am borderline obsessed with these because they are all new books in series that maybe you've already read or we have here in the library. So let's get started. You guys know I don't like scary books. We have the book Small Spaces. We have the book Deep Voices, and the next one in the series is called Dark Waters. Creepy. Upper grades probably. I don't know. Tell me if it keeps you up at night because I can't even read it. We have the next book in the Unicorn Diary series. All of you, I know you're excited. We've got the next book in the Sweet Valley Twins series. This one is called Sneaking Out. It looks really great. This series is Haggis and Tank Unleashed. This is book 3. We have got the third book in the Princess Pink and the Land of Make-Believe called The Three Little Pugs. Super cute and fun. This one and this, they're like easy chapter, beginning chapter, first, second, third graders. You guys will love these books. We have the next Who Is book, all about Ariana Grande. If you have read the graphic novel called Picture Day that we have, same author, next one. This is called Tryouts. We have got, you know what? Sorry. We have got the next 2 books in the Unicorn Diary series, book 10 and 11. If you've read Cardboard Kingdom, we have Cardboard Kingdom, this one, a winter one about snow and sorcery. So if you like that series, this is the next one, super cute. If you read the book The Tryout, now we have the book called The Squad. Gnome and Rat, we have these graphic novels in our library already. This is the next one in the series. We have got the next Cupcake Diaries book in the series. Super cute, super scary. I know it's not right in season, but that's how long it takes with back orders, and that's how it works in public education. So we have a super scary Nar Halloween, and it's really cute. The cover glows in the dark. You're gonna love it. That one I don't want to talk about today. Whoa, I'm getting crazy and excited. Finally, this book, we have book 8, Wings of Fire, the graphic novel, Escaping Peril. Do you dare read it? I know you do. All right, so those are all the books that are the next in the series. Really quick, because I know you guys have so much to do today on your day back from spring break. First grade boys, y'all, I had to get them off my back. I had to force Miss Letourneau to order more Pokemon books. So we have got some Begin Easy Reader Pokemon books, and then we've got some new Pokemon graphic novel books that they are going to be obsessed with. They are going to fly off the shelves. You're going to have a hard time getting your hands on these. They are going to be checked out all the time. Teachers, these next books are dedicated to you. This is very sweet. This is a great picture book you can use in the classroom. It's called The Breaking News. It's all about what happens when something bad happens, maybe a natural disaster or something that just leaves everyone unsure and feeling upset, and what we can do. We can all do small things to be kind to each other, to help each other in a situation that might be a little bit scary. So this is a great story, teachers. I encourage you to check this one out. Because April is Poetry Month, this is a great book, teachers. It's called The Mistakes That Made Us. It's a compilation of stories from 20 different poets telling about challenging times in their lives and how those challenges impacted them and how they overcame them. It's fantastic. So teachers, give this one a look if you're looking for some new poetry to share with your students. And finally, this just is a super fun nonfiction book. It's called Odd Bods. So a great nonfiction book about strange looking animals and their adaptations and how those strange things help them to survive. So that is what I'm sharing with you. Welcome back. I want you to smash that subscribe button. I want you to like. I want you to leave a comment. And I want you to check out books. I can't wait to see you in the library soon.